It's like the most stimulating thing I have done in my life. The most mentally occupying activity. And when I'm doing it, there's not any space for anything else.
Oh my God.
In 8th grade, my sister recommended I take video productions class. They let me borrow gear, including a GoPro, and take it to the local ski area. Even into high school, I was very bad at skiing, really did not even like it that much. Through filming skiing and watching videos of skiing, I started to realize something really special is happening here and I don't want to stop thinking about it or stop doing it.
Do some follow camming.
I've been doing this ski filming gig here in Alaska for 4 years now.
All right, I hit record. Let me turn this thing on.
It's a really fun teamwork atmosphere, actually. The skiers I'm filming want it just as bad as I do, so if they accept the risks, once they saw the clip, like, oh my gosh, I could do that even better. Let's go do that right now, and I'll go even bigger, and you just get even closer to me. And I'm like, yes, exactly. If they feel more confident, it's gonna show in the trick.
Yep, I think I'm ready.
I'm kind of yelling at them on the way in sometimes. I'm like, you got this! And then we go in and we go for it.
That was nuts!
I had the opportunity to move to Girdwood from Anchorage, and the access just made it so much easier to get on the hill and do my thing. The hill is Alyeska Resort, which is the primary ski and snowboard resort here in Alaska. It's more of an expert mountain. Not as many rules or regiments as other ski areas. And there's a lot less of what we skiers call jerries, which are people who go skiing but don't go skiing often. Shot planning is something that's just going on, I'd say pretty much 24/7 in my mind. Especially like when I'm laying in bed falling asleep. I think while I'm sleeping even sometimes. There's so much redundancy out there. So much standard methods of doing filmmaking and doing life, and I want to avoid those. I think Instagram is just one medium of getting your content or your personal expression out there. It seems to be one that's worked well for me. As silly as it sounds to be focused on a following count, it's providing currency in today's era that I couldn't have even foreseen. I would not be where I was if I wasn't born into this part of the world where sports are so easily accessed and with such supportive family members and educators. I would not be where I am today without that. It's so important in today's day and age to have a personal brand, to show the passion so that other people are inspired.